Hi, good day everybody. Today we are introduced ACEMAX, a new product, the Bluetooth remote control air mouse keyboard, especially for Amazon's Fire TV. So have careful look at it. Also, this model is backlit with IR landing functions. When you first look at this, you will remember the traditional Air Mouse 2.4G. This one we ACEMAX the #1 first launch in 2012. Now we still selling it very popular, very useful. Anyway, today we introduced another Bluetooth born for Amazon's Fire TV. We have fully tested it and totally compatible with Amazon's Fire TV. This one is Amazon's common remote, Amazon logo. Okay, we'll teach you how to pair with the Amazon TV box. Let's go to settings and the controllers, Bluetooth devices, game controller. Press this and then you press the OK button and the TV button on the remote at the same time. About 5 seconds flash. Then on the menu of the Fire TV box, you'll find the Bluetooth remote found, then pair. So now we can control the box with this remote. So very convenient, very useful if you have this. If you have any questions or inquiries, you can send us email. I'll be very glad to answer to your questions. Thanks for your question. Thanks for your watching. Bye bye.